If you use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini in your day-to-day life, you probably thought at some point, man, this is great, but I wish it was more proactive. I wish it could just do the things I want without me having to ask and chat with it all the time. And you're going to be really happy because there is a new artificial intelligence assistant called Clawdbot, or Moltbot. They are kind of in the middle of a rebrand. And that's exactly what it does. It remembers your conversations, it is proactive, it can browse the web, it can reply to your emails, and basically do everything you imagine when you think about a true virtual assistant. It's kind of revolutionary, I guess. Problem is, Clawdbot is supposed to be installed directly into your computer. And when I saw that, I was like, no, thank you. My computer has a lot of sensitive data, it has all my work files, my personal information, everything, and I really don't want to give full access and control over all of that to an AI. Some people are even buying Mac minis just to install this AI on a separate machine, which is crazy, I guess, but if you can do it, great for you. But here are the good news, you don't have to do any of that, you don't have to install it on your computer. You can install Clawdbot on a VPS server instead and still get all the functionalities without giving access to your personal files. Amen. You can even connect Clawdbot to WhatsApp or Telegram so you can take your assistant with you wherever you go and talk to it through the day. Now, there are some tutorials online showing you how to install Clawdbot on a VPS using the terminal, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it using a quick install. No terminal involved. Really beginner friendly. Even if you never heard of VPS or servers before, you're gonna be able to follow along. So let me share my screen and show you how to get Clawdbot the easy way. First thing you have to do is to buy a VPS server. We're gonna go with Hostinger for this tutorial, first because it's pretty affordable, and second because they have the quick installation for Clawdbot, so that's the main thing here. So to buy your VPS server, you're gonna go Services, VPS Hosting, and they have several plans here. I'm gonna go with this one, the number 2, KVM2, but if that doesn't fit your budget, for sure you can do KVM1. This one is just a little bit more powerful. So let's choose plan. So what you want to do here when you are buying a VPS is to choose the maximum amount of time you can afford, because that's gonna be cheaper. When you have to renew your plan, it's gonna be way more expensive because then you are renewing. It's not really a new plan, so you don't get the discount. So choose here the maximum amount of time that you can afford. I'm gonna go with 24 months. You also have to choose a server location. Mine saying France because that's the closest to me. You choose the one that is closest to you. And here we have to select the operating system. What we want here to have the quick Clawdbot installation is the Ubuntu, but we want to do the 24.04 LTS. So that's what we're going to choose. And here's how much you're gonna pay. I do have a coupon code for you, so if you use my link that it's on the description and it's also on the screen for you to click. I think I can do this already, I'm not really sure, but it's definitely on the description. And I do have a coupon code. It's not the one for this channel yet. This one I still don't have it, but for my Portuguese channel I do, so you can just use this one. So the coupon is Blogueira Inteligente. The coupon is gonna be on the description, just copy and paste, it's fine. So you can apply it and you get 10% off. So here's how much you're gonna pay. So you're just gonna continue and you're going to pay. And then you're gonna have your VPS server. After paying and after choosing a password for your root, for your VPS, you're gonna be redirected to this panel, which is the VPS panel. So from here, how do we install Clawdbot? It's pretty easy. You just click here, Doc Manager, and it's gonna open a page for you to install the Doc Manager. In my case, it's already installed because I already recorded the tutorial for another channel. So mine says projects, but yours is just gonna say installing, and after you're gonna be able to compose something. So let's compose. So I'm gonna click here, one click deploy, and there's all these tools that we can install here. So we're gonna search for Clawdbot. Here it is. So we're gonna click deploy. Now we have two things that we have to take a look here. First is this Clawdbot gateway token. This is generated for you. You don't have to do anything, but you have to know that it's here. And second, we have to insert here an API key. It can be Anthropic or can be OpenAI. Yes, you can connect to other models on Clawdbot, but right now for this kind of installation, you're gonna have to choose one of them. And I don't recommend you don't choose any, you just click deploy without putting an API key, because I tried that and nothing worked. I could not add other models on the UI. I couldn't figure out how to do it. So it's way easier if you just put your API key here right now, choose one of them, and after you can choose to a different model. So I'm gonna go to Anthropic really fast and get my API key and gonna click deploy. And now it's gonna install Clawdbot for us. You can see I already have a Clawdbot installation here. It was from my other channel. So fine, so we just wait for this one here. And okay, perfect, it's up and running. First time I tried to deploy, it didn't work, so I just have to ask to run again. So in case that happens to you, just run again and it's gonna work. And how do we access now the panel? You're just gonna click here. And here we are. If it doesn't work right away, just wait a couple seconds, a minute, and then try again, and your panel should load here. We still have an error here. This just means that the token was not connected here with our UI, with our panel, so we just have to connect that. To do that, you're gonna go back here on Hostinger, you're gonna click Manage, and then here we have the environment variables, and here we have the token, so you're gonna copy this here. You're gonna go back to your panel here, and here you're gonna add this parameter to the URL. So you're gonna say token equals and paste the number here and hit enter. And here it is, oh, it's working, so we can just start our Clawdbot now. Hi, let's get started. And here it is, hey, I just came online, fresh workspace, no memories yet, basically a blank slate. Who am I? Who are you? I need a name. So that's pretty much it for you to install Clawdbot. Really, really easy. It's already working. Now, the best thing you can do is to connect with Telegram or with WhatsApp so you can, take it on the go, connect to Clawdbot, not just here through the UI, but also through your phone. And then you can start using it as a personal assistant. So here you go, pretty easy to set up Clawdbot with Hostinger. Now you can start playing with your new artificial intelligence assistant. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe because here I'm gonna talk about tech, artificial intelligence, task setup, and much more.